Hello, my name is Liliana. I am from Colombia. I'm secretary. I'm 26 years old. I like playing soccer and watching TV. I hate cooking and currently I am studying industrial engineering. This is my daily routine. Usually I get at 6 a.m. Then I take shower. After that I have breakfast and I wash the dishes around 8 a.m. and 11 a.m. I do work at university. After that, I have a lunch. Next, I go to work on 12 p.m. Then I arrive to my apartment at 8 p.m. And after that, I have the dinner. Next, I take a shower again and then I watching TV and finally I go to sleep. On the weekend my routine changes. The Sunday I rest sometime. I get at 11 a.m. Then I have breakfast. Next I work next the clothes money work. I clean the apartment. After that I have a lunch. Then I sleep 2 hours and finally I get a preparation for the next day.